Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to coding and you might be wondering, is Codecademy good for beginners? Today I am breaking down all the features that make Codecademy beginner friendly and why it's a great place to start learning to code on a laptop. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. So let's jump right into it. First, the interface is super beginner friendly and Codecademy has an interactive code editor right in your browser, so you don't need to install anything. You get instant feedback as you code, which helps you learn and avoid any frustration. Plus, the clean design keeps you focused on coding without any distractions from anywhere, so no ads will pop up on your screen as well. Next, the Codecademy is a learning path that is structured step by step. Beginners start with the basics like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Lessons build on each other gradually, so you can learn from scratch without feeling overwhelmed. It's perfect for total beginners. Codecademy focuses on learning by doing. Every lesson has hands-on experience and there are small projects like building websites, apps, or interactive programs. These projects give you real-life world coding experience and build confidence in your projects as you progress. You also get support from the community. Forums and discussion boards let you ask questions, share solutions, and learn from others as well. Plus, badges and progress tracking keep you motivated, showing exactly what you have completed on the last few days or the period that you have used the Codecademy website. Most of the basics are free, so you can start coding without paying a single rupees or single dime. If you want guided paths, extra projects, or quizzes, you can try pro features, often with a free trial to explore advanced content. So, is Codecademy good for beginners? Absolutely yes. It's interactive, structured, and beginner friendly, making coding super easy to start. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment which course you will start first. Keep coding and enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.